Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Good evening, YouTube. As you can see, I have paper stuck in there. Now that's as thick as I could get in there. I tried a business card first. That was just too thick, and this is wedged in there pretty good. It's completely around the magnet and down in there tight enough where it'll stay in there. So next step is to spray this around here with, and I haven't really decided yet whether I want to use glue. I may go online and check it out, what's best, because if I just use water and it doesn't deform or reform or whatever you want to call it, then I've done all this for nothing. So without any further whatever, I keep saying I do too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off and look on the internet and see what it says. I'm back again. After a little search on the internet, it seems like most say water. So that's what we're going to go with. Basically, you want to dampen the surround as best as possible. Not getting water anywhere else. It's not going to hurt to soak it quite a bit. It will dry. All the way to the gasket.
I know, we keep people looking at me like I'm crazy, but I don't care. If it works, it works. If it don't, good time getting a speaker. I have seen people completely take these apart, take the voice coil out and everything, to repair them, but I'm not going to do that. If this doesn't work, then I will be looking for another speaker. 5x7 speakers, I think is what this is, or 6x4 or something. Whatever it is, easy to find. This one's got a little bit of a cutout here for who knows what, but it's easy enough to do too. So. We'll revisit this tomorrow after it dries good, and we can remove the shim, paper, whatever you want to call it. This will work probably better with a brush, small paint brush, like a model car brush maybe or something. But the Q-tip will work. Just a little longer it takes. Probably going to go over twice. I'm going to make sure it is saturated. Yeah, not much better chance of working if it's pretty well saturated through. I'll probably speed this up, I guess you probably figured that out by now. Probably best if I'm getting in the center. The magnet is. Probably would do it.
Good. Alright, that's been around twice now. I think we can call that good. I'd like to set up this way if I can. May not be able to. I can hold it for a few minutes. Anyway, that's it. That's the repair. And you'll be witness to the results here maybe tomorrow sometime when it's had a chance to dry thoroughly. Basically what it does is the gasket or the shim positions the magnet and the voice coil where it's supposed to be, and this water obviously makes the cone a little more flexible, and it should be able to reshape itself. In the these surrounds are corrugated enough to where when it dries, it should dry to this shape. That's the theory, and we're going to hope that's what happens. So I'll leave it that way. That's pretty good there. So without any more from me tonight. I think that's what we're going to call it good. And I will bring you back once the cone has dried.